to activate Microsoft Office 2021 or 365 for free. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to activate Microsoft Office 2021 or 365 for free. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to click on the Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and type in CMD. Under Best Match, you will find command prompt. Right-click on it and run as administrator and click on Yes button. Now the administrator command prompt window will appear where you simply need to type in the following command, that is cd space / and enter on your keyboard. With this, open this PC on your Windows. Open local disk C. Now locate program files and open this files folder. Open Microsoft Office folder. Now locate Office 16 folder and open it. At top right you will see Office 16. Simply right click on it and copy address as text. Once done, you need to close this window and paste the code here. And with this, you simply need to press enter on your keyboard. And now once you have done that, you simply need to enter this command, that is cs script or simply cs script space ospp dot vbs space / and d status. Now you have to press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will see the SKU ID. You simply need to locate and copy the code using Ctrl C. Now enter this command replacing the code, that is cs script space ospp.vbs space and / rears. Right click to paste the copied code after /rears. Then press enter. Once the process completes, you should see a message like Microsoft Office Rearm successfully. Then open Microsoft Word again to verify activations. And with this, you will successfully activate Microsoft Office 2021 or 365 for free. So currently the code or SKU ID isn't available on my command prompt section, but if it is, then you can easily follow the prompts that I told on this video and then activate Microsoft Office 2021 or 365 for free. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.